Today I'll be unboxing the Haunted Mansion Funko Pop Mystery Pins. These were released in October of 2022 and they were available at various retailers for $9.90 per box, and there is one pin in each box. So these are a year old now, but you may still be able to find these in different retailers. I'm pretty sure I saw these at my local box lunch probably a couple of weeks ago, but I might be imagining that. I thought I saw them on one of the shelves, but maybe not. I got these last November, so November of 2022 at Pink a la Mode, and I never got around to unboxing them until today. So this is a 6-pin collection, and the pin designs that we can get are the Hitchhiking Ghosts here. So we have Phineas, Gus, and Ezra, and we can also get the Opera Singer, the Bride, and the Mansion. And the Mansion is a chase pin. It doesn't say that on the box, but from everything I've seen online, they do say that that's a chase pin, which means it's more rare, so it's harder to find, and then they usually have some kind of glitter element to them to make them a little bit more special. So let's open them up, see what we get. I have 6 boxes here to open up, which is 6 pins total, and I am hoping to get the Mansion chase pin. The other ones are really cool too, but the one I want the most is the Mansion. I always like seeing the chase pins to see what makes them special, how much glitter they have, and all of that. So hopefully we get that. I only have 6 tries here, so it's gonna be hard. Let's find out. All right, these have the little, they do, the little notch here that make it easy to open up. Ooh, and I can already see the hair of Gus. So this one is Gus. These are decent sized pens, so they're styled like a pop, and so they got all that style. And the back is all silver, and they do have one of the metal backs. What was called? Usually they're the Mickey pin backs. These are just the silver metal pin backs. All right, so we got one Hitchhiking Ghost. Let's get all 3. That'd be cool. And, well, I see feet. Is it the same feet? Ooh, it looks like different feet. So I think we have a different Hitchhiking Ghost here. And we have Ezra. So he's the creepy one. He just, he's a little bit creepy. So he's standing there, he's got his hat, he's hitchhiking. Really nice. I thought maybe these would glow in the dark, but I don't think they do. I'll check later, but usually glow in the dark, you got that kind of greenish yellow look to them. All right, pin 3. Let's see what we get here. Still looking for that Mansion. And this one is, hey, it's, who's the other guy? Phineas. So we got the 3 Hitchhiking Ghosts right there. So we got Phineas, he's the one wearing the top hat. We have Phineas, Gus, Ezra. Okay, cool. So now let's just get the Mansion. Or complete the whole thing, that's fine too. Pin 4. What do we have? We have another Phineas. Are we gonna double up on the Hitchhiking Ghost? Is that how this is gonna work? All right, 2 more to go. 2 more tries to get the Mansion, the Chase Mansion. And, ooh, I see more feet. Well, the Bride and the Opera Singer have feet too, right? Oh, nope, not the same. So this is another Hitchhiking Ghost. And it is Ezra. So we have, okay, this one needs to be Gus now so we can double up on our Hitchhiking Ghost. Last pin. Come on, be the Mansion, be the Mansion. And it looks like somebody's hair. I'm looking at the back. Oh, it looks like it actually might be Gus. And it is Gus. Okay, well, we got doubles, but hey, at least it's kind of cool because we got 2 full sets of Hitchhiking Ghosts. So I only got 3 out of the 6, but we got 2 sets of Hitchhiking Ghosts, which, I don't know, I guess that's kind of cool. So those were the Haunted Mansion Funko Pop Mystery Pins. Which one was your favorite out of the 3 that I unboxed? I know I only unboxed the 3 Hitchhiking Ghosts, so it's kind of tough to pick a favorite there. If I had to pick a favorite, I would go with Ezra. He's always the kind of the spookiest ghost out of all those three. So that would be my favorite here. But the cool thing is these do glow in the dark. I was shocked. I was not expecting that at all. Right before I did this part of the video, I grabbed one of the pins, brought it to a dark closet, held it up to the light for a bit, and then turned the light off. Wasn't expecting anything, and there it was, just glowing in the dark. So that's awesome. So got some bonus points there for this collection. This wasn't the greatest unboxing for me since I only got 3 out of the 6. However, all of my doubles formed another set of Hitchhiking Ghosts, so that's kind of cool. So I only got 3 out of the 6, so that means I am still missing the Opera Singer, the Bride, and the Mansion Chase Pen. And now that I know that these glow in the dark, I really want to see what that Chase Pen looks like. So hopefully the box lunch, my local box lunch, does have these, and I wasn't imagining that because I might go buy a few more boxes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.